Tama bang daw na?
Jersey number 30, Aisa. Jack Brown defense, it's a whistle.
Tigas ya bayawa ka ngay.
Jack Brown is down to 15. Riera Sarendo area, Tobera. Nice 3 points. Bang. Intercept the jersey number 42. Pass to Kerbo. To jersey number 6 and tuloy. Yes sir. 2 points by Bulos. From jersey number 1, you are 20 seconds to shoot. Jersey number, intercept the jersey number 3. Udrige to jersey number 27. Abisha. Nice 2 points by Abisha. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 sumalaksak sa gitna. Nagtuloy-tuloy. It's good. 2 points by to jersey number 7. Sa ilalim to jersey number 8. Rebound by Abisha. Behind the back drive. Abisha to jersey number 3. Easy basket by jersey number 3. To jersey number 16. Back to jersey number 1. Knockdown defense. Jersey number 16. Attempt to 2. Nice 2 points. Midaway jump by jersey number 6. Warning penalty. Visiting team. Rihanna. Makaboyad. Jump shot 3. Nice 3 points. Pass to jersey number 25. Wiggy up. Rebound by jersey number 16. Intercept by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 walang kataw-taw. Easy up. Nice 2 points by jersey number 8. Asok. Jersey number 1. Haras by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 nakawala. Nagtuloy-tuloy. Nice 2 points. It's a whistle. To jersey number 6. Back to jersey number 1. Rainbow area. Nice 3 points by jersey number 1. Nambata. Montilo. To jersey number 8. Asok. 2 points by Asok. By naka 8. Jersey number 8. 1 point by jersey number Gamulo nagmamadali. Gamulo sa ilalim to Mr. Avila. Nakawala. Nice 2 points by Avila. Last 2. Jersey number 6. Back to 2. Jump shot 3. It's good. Last 2. It's good. Shooting the ball drive. Behind the back drive. Intercept by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 binigyan ng body shot. Nice 2 points by jersey number 1. Tion to jersey number 1. Nambatak. Last 1 minute. 2 points from last 40. It's a whistle by jersey number 25. 1 point by jersey from Rihanna. May team. It's good. 1 point again. Vaso.
Na.
2 points by Pilos. Jersey number 42. Jersey number 42 to jersey number 3. Flying attack to the basket. Nice 2 points by jersey number 19. Intercept by jersey number 6. Wiggy up. Shot clock is down to 15. Nice 2 points by Abisha. To Libago to jersey number 8. 20 seconds shoot. Jersey number 16 after 2. It's good. 2 points by Abisha. Jersey number 19. Saving the ball. Jersey number 19. Gamulo. Aisa. Nice 2 points by Aisa. 2 minutes and 10. Makapalag to Abisha. It's a whistle. One point from visiting team. Jersey number 42. Makapalag lang may hawag na bola. A spinning move. Jersey number 47. Nice 2 points. Last 50. Last 44 seconds. Free throw is good. 1 point. 2 points by Limpago. Last 25. Last 20. Last 12 seconds. Rebound by Asok. Asok jersey number 8, nagmamadali. Impossible shot by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 1, Nambatak. Nambatak! Yes, through by Nambatak.
Sab.
Yata, when you look.
3 points ang nailambag ni jersey number 25. 20 seconds to shoot, kinaliwa. 2 points by jersey number 25. 16. Jersey number 16 of 1. To jersey number 12. 2 points by jersey number 12. Aguilar. Primera. 2 points by Aguilar. Rebound by jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, low look pass sa ilalim to jersey number 12. It's good. 2 points. Shot clock is down to 5. 2 points by jersey number 3. Intercept by jersey number 21.
Oliver. Sus, kulera, wala nang labaw.
1 minute and 35. 2 points by Luguno. 1 minute and 10.
Nagkakilit na malabor.
1 minute and 5. It's a whistle. First through by Abisha.
Kaduaan yun siya dito, Gio.
What's number 27?
Pataas, imong kamot board.
Ipaingkod sa nasa tarong ito.
Nagtayin ka mo, gina siguro.
Second paper is good. Minute. Last 53 seconds. 50 seconds.
Dito, sunay.
It's a foul.
Agay. Saan ka?
Last 25.
Kaon ka.
Last 22 seconds. Number 6. Jersey number 25. Lumilipad. It's a first through by Carbillion. It's good. 1 point. Alza, you are 20 seconds shoot. Moral at 22. It's good. Nice 2 points by Moral. 20 seconds shoot. Jersey number 8, played away jump, it's good. 2 points. Jersey number 30 to jersey number 25. Jersey number 6, 2 points. Moral nagmamadali, jersey number 6. Jersey number 25, 2 points by Limpago. Jersey number 6 ang may hawak ng bola. Shot clock is down to 15. Jump shot 2. 2 points by Jagay. Jersey number 1, Montuo. Nagtuloy-tuloy. Using the ball shot. Nice. Tuon. Strong attack to the basket. Nice 2 points. 2 points by jersey number 8.
Patulay siya.
Shot clock is down to 15. Jersey number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Jump shot. 2 points by Pilos. Montijo. Logroño. Sa ilalim to Mr. Montijo. Pirawi jump. Nice 2 points by Montijo. 2 minutes and 15. Abisha, you are 2 seconds to shoot. Coast to coast layup. Nice 2 points by Abisha. 1 minute and 50.
Oh,
1 minute and 45. 1 minute. 1 minute and 25. Logroño, 2 points. Last 1 minute.
Ah, pabiga.